Kobolds? NJChef here. Trying something a little new. I'm testing out a recipe that Can Cook actually posted about a little while ago. This is Congee, which is essentially an Asian slash Hawaiian. I don't know. The origins of this dish have many different points. But I'm testing this dish out. It's basically rice porridge. And it smells great. There's about 1 cup of rice in here to 7 cups worth of what I'm using, a combination of chicken stock and water, some grated ginger, garlic, and some green onion as well in there. It's been simmering away for about that much time, and yeah, it should be simmering away for like 30 minutes. We'll check back in when it's done. Should be good. What's up, Kobolds? NJChef, we're back. We've got, yeah, exactly 4 minutes left. I'm glad I caught that. And I just want to show there's some really cool food science happening right now. Look at, oh my god. You can see how thick that's gotten over the past few minutes that this has been cooking and simmering away. Keep in mind, by the time this is done, this will have been simmering for 30 minutes. All the starch that's in the rice is getting absorbed by the water, and that's where our porridge consistency has come from. So yeah, this is going to be really good. And now on the matter of mise en place, I've got a pot of water here getting ready to boil away, because we're going to top this thing with a soft-boiled egg and a few other accoutrements by the time we're done here. So I'll catch you when the rest is done. Hey Kobolds, NJChef back, and after 30 minutes of simmering and cooking and bubbling away, look at this thick, luxurious, and quite actually fragrant congee we've got here. So, oh my god, I really wish I could just have you guys smell this, because it is legitimately delicious. I'm just waiting on the egg to continue cooking, and then we're going to plate up and finally dig in. Kobolds, there is our finished product, a freshly made bowl of congee, a little bit of sesame oil, a little bit of soy sauce, a shake of furikake, and admittedly, I maybe should have soft-boiled this egg a little longer, but regardless, this is absolutely delicious. I admittedly had a spoonful before digging in, because I didn't want to ruin the shot, but this is utterly fantastic. This has been Chef Makes, Chef Eats? I don't know. I'll workshop the title. Have a good one.